Born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, Charlie Shrem's journey from an average Joe to a cryptocurrency pioneer is nothing short of cinematic. On November 25th, 1989, this middle-class kid started a path that would dramatically shift the digital currency world. But Charlie's tale took a dark turn when he landed in prison for 2 years, caught in a web of crypto crime related to an unlicensed money-transmitting business. Despite this setback, Charlie didn't just fade into the background. Now, he's back, not just as a Bitcoin enthusiast, but as a vocal advocate for playing by the rules in the crypto space. How did he go from a prison cell to a podium advocating for compliance? Charlie's story is a roller coaster ride through the highs and lows of the crypto world. Charlie Shrem, a Brooklyn native, dove into the world of cryptocurrencies out of curiosity and a knack for innovation. Growing up in a bustling New York environment, he was naturally drawn to the fast-paced evolution of technology. His journey in the crypto space took a significant turn when he co-founded BitInstant, a company that became pivotal in making Bitcoin accessible to the public. This venture not only showcased his entrepreneurial spirit, but also positioned him as a key player in the early stages of the cryptocurrency movement. Shrem's early foray into this then nascent field demonstrated his foresight and willingness to explore uncharted territories, laying the groundwork for what would become a remarkable journey in the digital currency world. Rise in the crypto world. Charlie Shrem made a significant impact on the cryptocurrency world with the creation of BitInstant. This innovative platform transformed how individuals bought Bitcoin, making it faster and more accessible. By bridging the gap between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies, BitInstant became a cornerstone in the industry's growth. Shrem's forward-thinking approach and his platform's success quickly established him as a key figure in the Bitcoin community. His contributions went beyond just a service. He played a pivotal role in advocating for Bitcoin's potential and its adoption. Through his work with BitInstant, Shrem didn't just aim to profit, he sought to innovate and push the boundaries of what was possible with cryptocurrency, marking him as a true pioneer in the space. His efforts helped lay the groundwork for the broader acceptance and understanding of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole. Legal challenges. Charlie Shrem's journey into the legal abyss began with his venture, BitInstant, a groundbreaking service facilitating quick Bitcoin transactions. BitInstant's rapid rise caught not only the crypto world's attention, but also that of regulatory bodies. The crux of his legal challenges stemmed from operating BitInstant without the necessary money-transmitting license, a critical oversight in the eyes of U.S. law. The case against Shrem highlighted the often murky waters of cryptocurrency regulation. As BitInstant grew, it inadvertently became a part of transactions linked to the infamous Silk Road, an online black market, thereby drawing intense scrutiny. The lack of a license to transmit money legally, combined with the platform's indirect involvement with illegal activities, led to Shrem's arrest. In 2014, Charlie Shrem faced the music in court, pleading guilty to aiding and abetting unlicensed money transmission. The conviction was a significant blow, leading to a 2-year prison sentence. This period marked a dramatic halt in Shrem's burgeoning career and had profound personal repercussions. Beyond the immediate impact of incarceration, the conviction cast a long shadow over Shrem's professional life, challenging his standing in the crypto community and hindering future endeavors. Despite these challenges, Shrem's legal troubles have also had a silver lining, prompting a deeper understanding of regulatory compliance and shaping his advocacy for ethical practices in the cryptocurrency space. Life in prison. During his year in prison, Charlie Shrem embarked on a journey of self-discovery and intellectual growth, far removed from the world of cryptocurrency that had defined much of his early career. Despite the physical confines, he seized the opportunity to expand his knowledge, diving deep into over 100 books that spanned various subjects, with a keen focus on socioeconomics and human behavior. This period of forced solitude became a time for introspection and learning, allowing Charlie to reflect on the events that led to his incarceration and how he could emerge with a renewed purpose. Prison life also presented unique challenges and learning opportunities. Charlie observed firsthand the microeconomy that flourished within the prison walls. Driven by the inmates' innate need for commerce and exchange, The use of mackerel packets as a form of currency within the prison intrigued him, offering a live case study in economics, supply and demand, and the creation of value in a closed system. This experience deepened his understanding of economic principles in a very practical sense, reinforcing his belief in the power of markets and the importance of freedom of choice. As he prepared for his comeback, Charlie focused not just on personal rehabilitation, but also on how he could apply these insights to his future endeavors. He recognized the importance of compliance and the need to operate within the boundaries of the law to truly innovate and contribute positively to the cryptocurrency community. This period of reflection and education in prison became the foundation for his next chapter, shaping his approach to business, leadership, and advocacy for responsible innovation in the blockchain space. Advocacy for compliance and reform. After facing legal challenges that led to imprisonment, Charlie Shrem's perspective on the cryptocurrency industry underwent a significant transformation. Recognizing the critical importance of regulatory compliance, Shrem shifted his focus towards advocacy for lawful and ethical practices within the crypto community. This change was not just a personal resolution, but a public mission to ensure that others in the industry could navigate the complex landscape of digital currencies without falling into similar pitfalls. Shrem's efforts to educate the crypto community are multifaceted. He actively participates in public speaking engagements, sharing his story as a cautionary tale and highlighting the consequences of overlooking legal frameworks. Beyond just sharing his experience, Shrem provides tangible advice on how to engage with cryptocurrencies within the bounds of the law. He emphasizes the need for startups and individual investors to understand the regulatory environment, including anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Moreover, Shrem contributes to the development of tools and resources aimed at simplifying compliance for crypto businesses. By leveraging his extensive knowledge and experience, he works on platforms that facilitate adherence to legal standards, making it easier for newcomers and established entities to operate ethically and legally. Through these efforts, Shrem not only redeems his past missteps, but also plays a pivotal role in guiding the cryptocurrency industry towards a more secure, transparent, and compliant future. Return to the crypto scene. After his release, Charlie Shrem wasted no time diving back into the crypto scene, but with a renewed focus on compliance and innovation. Recognizing the critical importance of navigating the complex regulatory landscape, Shrem embarked on launching new ventures that not only embraced the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology, but also adhered strictly to legal standards. His approach signifies a matured perspective, aiming to bridge the innovative spirit of the crypto world with the necessity for regulatory compliance. One of Shrem's notable ventures in this new chapter is Enthusiast Capital, which marries traditional investment strategies with the cutting-edge possibilities offered by blockchain. Through Enthusiast Capital, Shrem introduced a platform that allows for the tokenization of real-world assets, offering investors a compliant way to engage with the digital currency space. This project is particularly significant as it demonstrates Shrem's commitment to bringing the benefits of blockchain technology to a broader audience while ensuring that operations remain within the bounds of regulatory requirements. Beyond his entrepreneurial efforts, Shrem has also become a vocal advocate for financial advocacy within the blockchain community. He emphasizes the importance of compliance not as a hindrance, but as a foundational aspect of sustainable innovation. Through public speaking, consulting, and active participation in crypto forums, Shrem shares his insights on navigating the regulatory landscape, underscoring the potential for blockchain to transform the financial industry when paired with responsible practices. His return to the crypto scene, therefore, marks not just a personal comeback, but a significant contribution to the maturity and stability of the blockchain ecosystem. Charlie Shrem's journey through the highs and lows of the cryptocurrency world has been a profound learning experience, not just for him, but for the entire crypto community. Reflecting on his past, Charlie acknowledges the importance of regulatory compliance and ethical practices in the blockchain industry. His experiences have taught him the value of responsibility and the need for a balance between innovation and adherence to legal frameworks. These lessons have shaped his current endeavors, where he actively promotes compliance and education within the crypto space. Looking ahead, Charlie envisions a future where cryptocurrency and blockchain technology play pivotal roles in creating a more inclusive and efficient financial system. He sees the potential for these technologies to provide secure, transparent, and accessible financial services, especially to those who are currently underserved by traditional banking systems. His vision extends to the belief that with responsible innovation and adherence to regulations, the crypto industry can achieve mainstream acceptance and significantly impact global economies. Charlie Shrem's legacy in the cryptocurrency world is multifaceted. He is not only one of the pioneers of Bitcoin adoption, but also a figure of resilience, learning from mistakes and using his experiences to advocate for a more responsible and compliant crypto industry. His commitment to advancing the industry responsibly is evident in his ongoing efforts to educate and guide new entrants, ensuring that the future of cryptocurrency is built on a foundation of ethical practices and legal compliance.